So here's the inspiration for the Be Like Kenneth littleBits activity. So after we finish watching the video, I actually have a pressure sensor with littleBits here. It's not connected to anything right now. So we want to make sure that when they're testing it, they can see that it works. So we're gonna add just an LED bit as output. And so you know when you're pushing on it, it lights up, so it works, but it doesn't do anything. So if Grandpa's walking, he's just setting a light off, which is kind of lame. We want to actually be able to communicate and see what will happen so someone else can go save him. So we're going to leave that on here, but we are going to attach a wireless transmitter. So just like the microbit, we're going to use radio channel C on this transmitter, and we're going to send it to a wireless receiver. So same thing as a microbit. I'm going to attach it, just plunk it into place. It's channel C and channel C. So when we connect it, it's lighting up over here. And I'm just gonna show if we had a person who was hard of hearing, they could see that it's there. So this could be a doorbell, a fire alarm, anything. And then if we had a person who was maybe visually impaired but could hear, we can add a buzzer. Maybe it's too loud, we can turn it down or off. Maybe you need to have your bed shake. So this is the same vibration motor, just like that's found in your iPhone, that it has when you're on silent and it vibrates. So we know it's connected, but we can increase, maybe it's about like this. And it's just vibrating here. Maybe you want it full on vibration. So that's like crazy, waking you up. So you can control how everything is connected. So this is an example of Be Like Kenneth. We can also have Be Like Kenneth happen without radio frequencies. So if I just take the portion here that is just going to vibrate to let us know that Grandpa's out of bed, and we take off the radio transmitter, we can actually attach an IR trigger, which is a remote sensor to it. We're gonna steal the power from this one and attach it here. So the power is on, but just like you would use a remote control or remote to control your TV, we can have his pressure control our signal. See? The IR light is transmitting over to the remote trigger that's connecting the IR light and causing it to vibrate. So many ways that we can experiment being like Kenneth.